Can a team of AIs really outperform the world's smartest single AI models? More than 70% of advanced AI research today focuses on multi-agent systems, and Sakana Fugu is one of the newest systems trying to dominate this space. Created by a Japanese startup founded by former Google researchers, Sakana Fugu is already making headlines by claiming performance close to some of the biggest AI models in the world. Who created Sakana Fugu? Sakana Fugu was developed by Sakana AI, a Japanese startup founded in 2023 by former researchers from Google and other leading AI companies. Despite being only about 3 years old, the company has already secured funding worth hundreds of millions of dollars, showing just how much confidence investors have in its vision. The word Sakana means fish in Japanese, while Fugu refers to the famous pufferfish. The company focuses on making several AI models work together instead of training one gigantic model. Training a frontier AI model today can cost anywhere between $100 million and $1 billion, so Sakana's approach could significantly reduce development costs. This unique strategy has helped the startup become one of the fastest growing names in artificial intelligence. For a company founded in 2023, that growth rate is remarkable. What exactly is Fugu? Unlike traditional AI systems, Fugu does not rely on a single model to answer every question. Instead, it creates a team of AI agents that collaborate to solve problems. Research shows that teams often outperform individuals, and Sakana is applying the same principle to artificial intelligence. For example, if one model has an 85% accuracy rate and another has 88% accuracy, combining their strengths through verification can push overall performance even higher. Fugu divides large tasks into smaller parts and assigns each part to specialized models. After every model finishes its work, the system combines the outputs into one final answer. This process is known as multi-agent orchestration, and according to industry analysts, more than 70% of next-generation AI research is now exploring agent-based systems. How does the multi-agent system work? When a request arrives, Fugu first determines whether the task is simple or complex. If the request is difficult, the system breaks it into multiple subtasks. Studies show that dividing a complicated problem into smaller pieces can improve problem-solving efficiency by nearly 30% to 40% in certain AI benchmarks. Fugu then sends these subtasks to different specialized models. One model may handle coding, another may focus on reasoning, while a third model verifies the results. After collecting all responses, Fugu performs additional verification rounds before generating the final output. Although these extra checks improve reliability, they also increase processing time. In some cases, Fugu Ultra can spend 2 to 5 times longer processing a request compared to traditional AI systems. Sakana currently offers 2 main versions, Fugu and Fugu Ultra. The standard version is designed for everyday use and prioritizes faster responses. Fugu Ultra, however, performs deeper reasoning and extensive verification before answering. Independent reviewers found that Fugu Ultra can use 50% to 300% more tokens than conventional models when solving difficult tasks. This additional computation often leads to higher quality results, especially in coding and scientific reasoning benchmarks. However, more processing also means higher costs. Some tests showed that complex tasks completed by Fugu Ultra cost several times more than competing models. In simple terms, Fugu Ultra behaves like a student who checks every answer 3 times before submitting the exam. One of the biggest reasons behind Fugu's popularity is its impressive benchmark performance. According to Sakana AI, Fugu Ultra achieved competitive scores across multiple coding and reasoning evaluations. In certain benchmarks, the system reportedly matched or exceeded leading frontier models. Benchmark scores matter because they provide standardized measurements of AI capability. However, benchmarks only represent specific tasks and not everyday usage. For example, an AI scoring 90% on coding tests may still struggle with practical workflows. Researchers estimate that benchmark performance and real-world performance can differ by as much as 20% to 30% depending on the task. This is why experts recommend evaluating both benchmarks and practical usage before judging any AI system. Where does Fugu perform best? Fugu performs particularly well in complex, multi-step tasks such as software development, research analysis, and advanced reasoning. During demonstrations, the system successfully built complete applications and sophisticated simulations. Some reviewers reported that Fugu Ultra generated highly polished coding projects while using multiple verification layers. In long reasoning tasks, multi-agent systems have demonstrated improvements of up to 25% compared to single-model approaches. Since several models collaborate, mistakes made by one model can often be detected by another. This significantly reduces error rates in difficult tasks. The approach is similar to peer review in scientific research, where multiple experts examine the same work before publication. Apparently, even AI now believes in teamwork. Despite its strengths, Fugu Ultra has notable drawbacks. The biggest concerns are speed and cost. Because several models participate in solving one request, response times can increase dramatically. Independent evaluations found that some tasks required 2 to 10 times more processing time compared to traditional models. Cost is another important issue. Every additional verification step consumes extra tokens, increasing expenses. In some public demonstrations, orchestrated systems used over 90,000 tokens for a single complex task. For comparison, many conventional models can complete similar tasks using significantly fewer tokens. More teamwork can improve quality, but it also means paying more for every response. Even AI has discovered that meetings are expensive. Can Fugu replace ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? At present, replacing established systems such as ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini appears unlikely. These models continue to dominate everyday AI usage because of their speed and consistency. ChatGPT alone reportedly serves hundreds of millions of weekly users worldwide. For general conversations, brainstorming, and writing tasks, traditional models remain highly effective. Fugu's biggest advantage lies in handling specialized workflows involving multiple reasoning steps. Industry experts believe future AI ecosystems may combine both approaches. Fast single models could handle routine tasks, while orchestrated systems manage highly complex problems. Rather than replacing existing systems, Fugu may become part of a larger AI toolkit used for advanced workloads. One particularly interesting aspect of Fugu is its flexibility. The orchestration system can work with both open-source and closed-source models. This means Sakana can replace or swap individual agents depending on availability, cost, regulations, or performance requirements. If one model becomes restricted or unavailable, another can take over its role. This adaptability gives Fugu an important advantage because the AI landscape changes rapidly. New models are released almost every month, and performance rankings constantly shift. Rather than depending entirely on one foundational model, Fugu can evolve by integrating stronger agents whenever they become available. It is similar to updating players in a sports team without rebuilding the entire club from scratch. Researchers believe multi-agent AI systems could become the next big step in artificial intelligence, as collaboration and self-verification often improve performance on complex tasks. Training advanced AI models can cost billions of dollars, so systems like Sakana Fugu offer a potentially cheaper alternative by combining existing models. Although Fugu still faces challenges related to cost, speed, and consistency, its orchestration approach has already attracted significant attention across the industry. Many experts think future AI systems may focus more on teamwork between models rather than simply building larger models. One thing is clear, Sakana AI has introduced a new direction that could influence the future of artificial intelligence. So would a team of AI agents be more trustworthy than a single super-intelligent model? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science content.